how to turn off posts from people you follow, notifications on Likee app. Hello guys, in today's video I'm gonna show you how to turn off posts from people you follow, notifications on Likee app. First thing, go to Likee app. Now click this three lines in the top corner and then click settings, and here you will find notifications. Click on it and then just click posts from people I follow, and that's it. It's easy, of course, just one click. And that's it for today's video. If you like this video, please don't forget like and don't forget subscribe, and thank you for watching this video until the end, and see you in the next video.